No? God damn. Damn it. Maybe keep locking and unlocking it, I don't know. With the key, with the button though. It's a signal in the button.
In the barrel.
In the barrel?
Yeah, that's what it said. I thumbed it this way.
Is there another barrel around the other side? Try it in the other barrel. If it's in the barrel, then maybe the other barrel make it work. Huh?
I did my window fucked, let it window down.
Oh, this one as well.
Oh, I didn't shut it properly earlier. I'd wind the
I
window.
told you that too much bass is sometimes not good.
Oh, yes.
Maybe the battery's fucked.
First things first is to check if your battery is not flat.
First things first. Where's your shitter? I've got a turtle head.
And that's it. Don't stick your key in that one anymore. Just try and start it.
This has been brought to you in association.
Come on.
Don't worry, I know how to fix this. You get it all a little.
Oh, shit. Dead battery. What, dead battery? What?
Fucking can't.
What? Dead battery?
Duke was sure it was not the battery, so we had to find out.
What's the matter?
My email going out, the light keep coming up.
Shit. What does that mean? Oh, gone now. Was it happening before?
If the stereo starts and the car starts, but then switches off, usually it's the immobilizer.
Switch it off and switch it back on. I mean, lock it and lock it. And then lock it. I think it's... Well, was it happening before?
Yeah, happened before, yeah.
And what? And what did you do?
I just keep doing this sometimes and then disconnecting the battery and shit like that.
It's not bad battery, is it? No.
No. It's a immobilizer light, that's why. It's not recognising the key or something.
What the fuck?
I know. Fucked me off a few times before. I had a feeling something was going funny because earlier I started to tie it and I couldn't tie it for a bit.
I reckon it's the battery in this key. Here, show me what's in that key. Yeah, hold on, I'll get one. Should have had a fucking smoke box in here. Kept it on. God damn. Alright, let's open up your... I like this wood though, this is quality shit. Did you wrap it?
Yeah, I wrapped it. Reason being is
Oh yeah, you fucked
to
it.
throw it out and I snapped it.
Yeah, I
If I
remember.
snapped it, the wooden looked all fat.
Yeah.
So instead of repairing it, because it's actually a metal frame, you had two screws there to pull it out. And I didn't know that. And I put it from here, And I'm thinking like my old one, you can flat speed up and pop it. And when I did it, I popped it and I snapped here. Because you can see, look, at the dent there.
Mm-hmm.
And then if you look here, there's another dent there.
Yeah, shit.
There. You see what I mean?
Fucked it.
So I wrapped it, so it looked nice and tidy. So
Yeah.
you can't really pay attention to it.
Yeah.
So I wrapped it like that.
Yeah,
But it doesn't bother me because I still got a wood all around there.
Yeah.
I don't really like it. I didn't even like it wood there because there's nothing wood down here.
Well, it's true. It looked a bit old. Looked like a chest of drawers, mate.
Yeah, that's what I mean. So now it's black blending with
But open your key up. Like open it and close it loads of times. Your car. Show these motherfuckers. God damn it.
That's what I'm doing.
So do you want to lift back? Lift or something? But how are you going to get to work? Disconnect the battery again, maybe.
Yeah,
it's not doing anything.
For a minute.
Okay, guys, we have immobilizer problem. Shit. Do you want some tools? Disconnect the battery, connect it up again.
I need a turbo spanner.
Yeah. Oh, these old fucking cars. You want a panettone?
No, I'm good.
Yeah, have a panettone.
No, I'm good. I'm done. It worked.
It works?
Yeah.
Are you having a laugh?
I haven't started the car. I went to put a...
Oh, yeah, let's film this, bad boy. Let's film this, motherfucker. In it.
And if you don't know, now you know, nigga.
Have you got torch over there? Because this needs to be documented. No fucking way, it's working.
Where's the spanner?
Duke, you is a motherfucking genius. Shit, but where is the spanner? See?
You had it large.
I had it right here. Is it not over there, no?
I don't know, it's over there with me.
Like,
Oh, there.
yeah, there, that's it. But the engine's not on, my G.
No. Look at that, because you not hear it running. Okay.
Yeah, but you first need to turn the engine on.
What way am I doing it? That way or that way?
Of course, this way, fucking clockwise. Oh yeah, you didn't go to school, did you?
Duke didn't go to school, so he does not know which way to untie a knot. He is a G and a member of their one and only Triple B.
Triple B's, don't triple B's, don't triple B's. We just gotta keep it real, homie. Triple B's, we young niggas get. We represent the streets.
Oh yeah. I didn't undo it.
Well, it's every single bolt. It's, you know, since ever bolts have been made, it's clockwise to do, it's anti-clockwise to undo.
I'm Chris Thornton.
Well, if you didn't go to school, it's very well presented how to do it by this serial killer.
If you're ever doing any DIY or you're working on anything and you can't remember which way to turn a nut or a screw,
then you must be completely off your tits like Duke is, or just a complete retard.
to get it to loosen or tighten, it can be quite frustrating. But there's an easy way to remember which way you need to turn it.
Easier way not to forget to take your psycho medication and make sure you don't have a screw loose.
Look up. She said, up where? I said, up there. When she looked up, I broke her neck.
Okay, and how did you do that?
Just snapped her
With her do that?
Just snapped her
With your,
just
with your
my
hand?
hands, yeah.
Let me show you how. Let me show you how. Let me show you how. Let me show you how.
Oh, thank yous. I'm not into murdering people.
To undo. And was it this trick that worked? This fucking... this? No way.
Yeah.
Mate, this is the Triple B special. Or even... No, but seriously, mate, is it gonna start, the car? Huh? Is it gonna actually start?
I'm trying to
No. Press it, mate, give it some fucking gas.
Oh yes, and a couple of splitters later, Duke the Maestro has done it. The V6 was sounding so smooth and sexy, not like the piece of turd Mercedes-Benz.
And that was it, that was the solution. Well done, Duke.
Have you got a car already?
No. You fucking. Oh, well done, mate. Yeah, this is the. Okay, I'll do it. You're gonna go pussy gloves on. Let me do it.
That's the reason why I better gloves.
So, ladies and gents, if your car does not start, don't rush jumping it or anything. It could be simply the corrosion on your battery. Okay, this is amazing. I'll do it. You film it quickly. Actually, we don't need to film it anymore, so explain to them quickly what you've done.
Let me show you how.
I can't tell you exactly what I've done. Well, I thought to myself, I got a bit of sandpaper, clean up the terminals of my battery. Well, not the actual battery itself, the terminals from the car to the battery. And after I did that, I connected it back up.
And it still works?
Put the key, no, I didn't just do that. I put the key back in the barrel, locked it up again, held it for 30 seconds, unlocked it with the key, opened the door with the key in the key barrel, got in the car, started it up with ignition, and the immobilizer didn't come up.
Wait, that is
I don't actually when I just started it now. As you can hear, it's running at this current moment.
That is fucking awesome.
I tell he's
done.
Well done, Duke. That is actually a top tip.
Because 99% of people would just call their mechanic and get shafted, wouldn't they?
Yeah.
And they could make up anything is wrong with your car. They could make up that it's the immobilizer,
the ECU,
the ECU, the wiring, your rats ate the wiring.
The wiring loom.
Yeah, mate, well done. Respect for this.
Hey Duke, this is alright, yeah? But maybe you do it a little bit better. But it's fine, car.
You tie it up and I'm going to tie it up when I get.
Yeah, it's all good. Well done, my man. That was a very good episode today, as well as a good review. We've done a good fixing job. A V6 power. I love V6 power. It's all nice and smooth.
Now I need to get a straight to a pipe and put my hole out. I got a hole in the door.
Got your hole out. Yeah, sort your hole out, mate, before anyone gets in the hole.